So my girls and I got together with our pink robes to make my melty chocolate Grinch Christmas cookies. At least that's what I thought we were going to do. But they had different ideas. Because Sasha wanted to do the egg crack challenge on her sister's head. And of course, Stella wasn't having that. Then I said, don't eat the butter. What does she do? She eats the butter. Flour got thrown. Sasha disappears. Stella's the only one in the kitchen making a mess. And then I find Sasha in the pantry eating out of the jar of Nutella that we need to make our chocolate cookie centers. Okay, then I don't know where the game of tag came in, but I just said forget it and I made the cookies myself. So here's what I did. I piped rounds of Nutella on parchment paper and I popped them in the freezer. Then I made a simple sugar cookie dough, and of course it's green for the Grinch. I take those chocolate centers and I stuff them inside the cookie dough, and as they bake off, I add some crushed peppermint candy on the outside, so it has a crunchy exterior on the outside, and then when you break it open, it's gooey hazelnut chocolate on the inside. Now that's how you make Christmas cookies. Chaos not included.